Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your Shopify store link. Whether you're just getting started with Shopify or you're a seasoned store owner looking to share your store with a wider audience, understanding how to easily access and share your store's link is an essential skill. Sharing your store link correctly drives traffic faster. Shopify assigns a primary domain when you create your store. That link works instantly for anyone on the internet. It acts as your store's main address for customers and marketing. Let's dive into this simple yet important task. To begin, you'll want to open your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you'll find the settings option. Clicking on settings is your first step. This is where you can adjust the core aspects of your store. But today our focus is specifically on obtaining that store link. Open your live store link in incognito or private mode after you copy it. This ensures the link opens as a customer view, not an admin preview. If the page loads correctly without login, you can trust it will work for your subscribers, clients, or ad traffic too. Next, once you're in the settings section, look to the left panel, which features various options and settings for your store. You're looking for domains. Go ahead and click on domains. If you haven't connected custom domain yet, Shopify domains often look like your store.myshopify.com. This default link always works unless you purposefully disable it. Use it confidently while you work on your brand domain setup. Understanding this part of your Shopify dashboard not only helps in sharing your store link, but also is essential for any future custom domain changes or optimizations you might consider. You can pin your store link to your top channels. Paste it on your Instagram bio, share it inside WhatsApp groups, drop it into email campaigns, and test the same link in Facebook or TikTok ads. One clean link reused across channels compounds traffic. After selecting domains, you will be greeted with a list of domains associated with your Shopify store. This list typically includes your primary domain, which is the main way customers find and interact with your store online. If you've registered a custom domain or linked additional ones, those will appear here as well. Now, the main thing you need to do is locate the domain that you want to share. Once you've identified the appropriate domain, you simply need to copy it. If you rename or swap your primary domain later, update your saved links across all platforms. Broken or outdated links lose trust and clicks. Keep a note of where you place the link so you can update it fast when needed. Most interfaces will allow you to do this by either right-clicking and selecting copy or using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. With your domain copied, you now have the unique web address of your store ready to share. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully found and copied your Shopify store link. Add a call to action when you share your link. Examples include tap to view store, click to explore products, or open link to start shopping. Simple CTAs increase clicks and engagement. You can now share this link across social media channels, in emails to potential customers, or directly with anyone you want to invite to visit your store. Track link performance, if you can. Check clicks inside Instagram Insights or your email analytics. If you see traffic rising after you share, you know you're doing it right. Double down on the channels that drive the most clicks. Sharing your store link is a powerful way to boost traffic and attract new visitors. Having the ability to do this effortlessly from your Shopify dashboard is a great capability to master. By following these simple steps, getting your store's link and spreading the word about your amazing products becomes a seamless process. New themes, custom domains, or structural changes never delete your ability to share the core link. That link stays your store's front door. Mastering it means you control your traffic flow. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.